Don't go in the mud.
You walk from outside there. Look, Shruti. Arya, don't go in there. Go out. Walk from the side. Shruti, you can walk.
Okay.
We'll go to another place. Yeah.
What? Ooh.
You know what? Oh,
Yeah.
Find daddy. Find him. Shruti, not that way. Why are you going there? The trees are fallen there. Come this way.
Daddy.
You're scared?
I want to go that way.
Dorm scholar.
Let's go over the
I can't find daddy. I don't know where he is.
I was right here.
I want to stay.
Yeah, we're going to the next one. It's the other side. Come.
Next one is the other side. Come on.
Hey, you lost your stick and you're taking mine?
He broke his stick. You can take that one. He broke it. You can take that one. Mom, you know he broke his stick?
That's impossible to break the stick. That's so thick.
I hit him with a lot. Now it's
Oh dear.
that's easy. I learned.
Yeah.
Guys, let's pull it
See.
It's frozen.
Why is coming in?
Yeah.
The water is coming in.
Yeah. Let's go.
Why are they here for? Wow.
The stream is whole thing is frozen. Okay, Shruti. What are you doing?
That's the water. That's the water.
You don't touch that water. Come. stick got dirty?
Mm-hmm.
Find another one if you like. If you find it. Shruti, look, all this stream is frozen.
This is horse poop.
What?
I want to check out horse poop.
Chi. Yeah, I know. Shruti, do you want to see horse poop? Horse poop. Shruti, come on. Not here, there, in the middle of the road. Do not step on it.
What's that kind of poop again?
Horse.
What that means?
Horse poop.
What?
Horse.
Cars?
Poopy.
Cars?
Horse. Nay, nay, horse.
A horse poop?
Mm.
You. And it's still back into the eye. Huh?
Why don't you just walk on it, Shruti? Shruti, just walk on it. You don't have to break the hut. That became ice. Whatever. You want to wash with your stick with fresh water? We can't find it because everything is frozen in here. Okay, come. If we find it, we'll let you know. Come. Shruti, this is slope. Can you walk slowly? Go, 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 go forward. Go forward. Go ahead.
Don't go in the mud, Ari. Don't go in the mud. I don't know how I'm going to wash my Siti.
Whoopsie.
Behind Ari.
Ari can go.
Ari,
Come
just
this
keep
way.
Walking.
Come
Keep
this way.
walking, Siti, it's okay.
Yeah, keep walking.
Keep walking, it's okay.
Everything's okay.
Yeah.
It's actually good.
Keep walking, Siti. Keep walking, Ari. Are you expecting mud? I don't know.
I told you it's full muddy. I was telling it's dirty. See now what you did. We go back, okay?
It's over. It's over. Yeah, that's it.
Oh my God.
Siti, keep walking. It's okay. Just keep walking.
She needs help. Go find get her.
Just keep walking. Keep walking.
Maybe we should head to
Do not come down, Arya. It's very difficult to go up and then don't come down again. Stay wherever you are. Whatever. Don't go. It's muddy. You mammy.
Money.
Arya, don't walk back and forth. Yeah. Siti.
Guys, I think we should go back if we got it.
Tell me one person is there in this trail, Vasu.
Huh?
One person is there in this trail.
See all the footprints. How do you think they can? Now you're showing. Yeah. Yes. Keep walking. Keep walking. Yeah. Keep walking, Arya.
Okay, I see some people in this trail.
And then how many are there? And then there's the vertical. This is a vertical one.
Go there, Shruti. It's the Henry Church Rock Overlook. Okay, are you okay?
I'm cold.
But you are the one who is playing, Arya. Come take your stick. It's okay.
Very tricky. Very, very tricky. Very far.
Why? There is no sunlight reach here, I guess.
That's crazy, a big gap of
Careful.
wow.
Yeah.
Wait, what is that butane?
I don't know. Maybe they're counting the trees.
What that?
I don't know. Wait, I don't know. Daddy, stop! Come here.
What? Hold it straight. We are holding it flat. Hold it straight.
Daddy.
You have to go down the